Hi, I'm Rory from Commend, and as Studio 18.0 has just been released, I thought it would be perfect to do a release notes video. So here we go, let's have a look at some of the things on here. Okay, so the first thing is the really obvious looking one. This is the new sort of style for projects that comes with Studio. Now, it's still completely flexible and you can have it looking however you want. However, this is a kind of generic template that now comes built in to allow you to create a really smart looking project without too much effort. There are a bunch of new icons for help points, PA zones, barriers, as well as some new icons here for general control and a ton of backdrops with various different combinations of these different headers and sidebars. So this means that building projects now is really, really easy to make something that looks really smart. Okay, so next, a really simple but a really nice little feature. If I make a call through to this reception, we can see the video window pop up for it. And as you can see, we have no title bar or anything like that. So this allows you to create video monitors that look like they're integrated really nicely inside of the project. Okay, the next one, a really simple way to add graphics inside of Studio now. So here I have some graphics. These are my icons, and then this is my background map. So let's start with the map. Let's just click and drag it into the project. Now it will tell us that we've dropped them in and ask us what we want to do. So we can choose to use that as the plan background, and we can create a new plan and have it as a parent or no parent. So we'll have it as a new one and we'll press OK. It will ask us if we want to save. And there we go. It's created a new plan that's already got this image for the background. The next thing I want to do is get these icons in. So we will select all of these and click and drag them all in together. This time, instead of user's plan, we will select user's icon. Here it now gives us the option. Do we not want to create an icon? Do we want to create one icon with many levels or many icons with one level? So we can choose to create 7 new icons, each with those different graphics, or one icon with those 7 graphics as 7 levels. So we'll go with that. We'll go one icon with many levels. We can then choose what type of icon it is. So we'll go with icon template for now. Okay, and that has now created us a new icon, which we can see here. And it has created all the levels already for us with each icon already in there. When we're ready, we just simply drag that icon into the project and bang, there's our icon all ready for us to configure and use inside of the project. In Studio 18.0, we now also have some ways to make the error notifications a little bit clearer. So for example, if it loses connection to the server, I'll simulate that right now. It will pop up with a message and say specifically which area has failed. When that's resolved, it will disappear again. This is really handy for troubleshooting. Okay, this feature is potentially really powerful. In Studio 18.0, we now have the ability to embed pre-recorded video files into the icon levels. So obviously this opens up some really interesting applications within Studio where you can use some really powerful features such as built-in training inside of the project, fully dynamic wayfinding where you're utilizing the fact that the videos can react to events on the system, and just generally doing things that just make the projects look that little bit slicker. Okay, so that was just a few of the new features from Studio 18.0. I hope you found that informative in some way or another. Of course, if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know and I'll see what I can do to answer. And until the next time, I'll see you later.